Hi everybody, my name's Spektiv and you are tuned in to Sample Genie Season 12. I'm basically going to be doing a track breakdown of one of my tracks, Don't You Know, that came out on Overview. A lot of good feedback from this track. I really enjoyed making it. And yeah, it's one of the tracks that a lot of people have requested me play when I play out, so it will be right to kind of give you a little insight into how I made it.
Don't you know? That's what I said. You break that.
I'm going to be kind of breaking down the synthesis behind these sounds, having a look into how I made them, and the different processes I use, and then I'm going to chuck something together. So I'll use some of the drums from my sample pack as a kind of basis, and then we'll recreate the synthy sound, the bass sound. If my memory serves me right, it will turn out absolutely fine. But we'll give it a go and see what we can make.
You